Mr. Cabinet Minister Sri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat ji, Honorable Minister of State for Finance and Corporate Affairs Sri Anurag Thakur ji, distinguished guests on the dais, and my dear friends. Sri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat ji, today his presence here itself is a testimony to the fact that he is the extended family member of the National Federation. Sir, when we extend invitation to you, we always feel that it is a family member who is coming to the National Federation meeting. And it is a fact that our members feel that when you speak here, a National Federation leader is speaking on behalf of the development officers before the government. So thank you very much, sir. We are privileged to have you here. And on behalf of the National Federation, we thank you, sir. Sri Anurag Thakur ji, Minister of State for Finance, after many years, a Minister of State for Finance coming to the meeting of the National Federation. And surprisingly, today, we have found one more extended family member in North Block. So we are happy that he is able to understand. When our Secretary General was presenting the issues, I have seen him noting down the point of job security which he has written on his paper. Sir, adding to the figures regarding the performance of LIC, it is the contribution of the field force of the corporation. When you were mentioning about technologies, LIC was performing extremely well when there was no technology. And when we speak of disruptive technologies, even today, this is a fact that any government institution, insurance industry which is open in the entire world, you cannot find an insurance company other than LIC which has been maintaining 76% in policies and 71.89% in premium. Even in China, when we speak about China, after the insurance industry was opened, the market share of the government insurance company, even in China, within 10 years, it has fallen below 50% market share. Today, we can definitely say, not only maintaining the share, we have regained 6% of the market share, which has never happened in the entire insurance industry in the world. And when you were speaking about growth, sir, we are proud to announce here that the growth of LIC is more than the growth of the total insurance industry. Our growth is higher than the growth which is recorded by the insurance industry. Sir, adding to the points which our Secretary General has placed before you, we request you to consider the points which are pricking the marketing force. When you speak about $5 trillion economy, you should remember when you say that the LIC of India will have a major role, and in that insurance, LIC, the role of development officer is very, very important. And the two things which have been placed before you, if these are addressed, definitely the way in which our development officers are working, definitely the role of LIC will be much bigger than what is expected from LIC because of our marketing force. So on behalf of the National Federation, we thank both the ministers who are present here, and I request all the members of the National Federation to give a standing ovation to both the ministers who have come here to understand the problems of the members. And sir, thank you very much. And as a token of love and affection, I request Secretary General to present memento to the ministers.
हेलो। साथियों, अपना स्थान ग्रहण करें। हमारे मंत्री जी को